What's up everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Midnight Mod Garage. Tonight we have a real quick project for you. We're just going to be replacing a couple of the LED lights in the gauge cluster of the IS300. Let's do it. So this is what we're going to need for tools. Ignore the tweezers. What we need is a pair of needle nose pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, and this is the electric that you see me using in the video. Now, it was more than a few years ago that we changed all of the amber bulbs in the cabin of the IS300. That's the gauge cluster as well as the AC controls. And here you can see a pretty extensive collection of all of the LEDs we've collected over the years.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take the dash off.
Alright, so there's 3 screws that you got to take off to take the dash panel off so that you can get to the gauge clusters. 2 up here. Dash panel off. This is the gauge bezel. And get that off. That screw. Gauge cluster. There we go. So the bulbs on the gauge cluster that are actually malfunctioning now are the ones illuminating the fuel level gauge and the screen showing you what gear you're in. So those, if you flip to the reverse side, you can, that one lives right here, and this T10 bulb right here are the ones that are currently out. Just give it a quarter twist and pull. Alright, so here's our replacement bulb. Now polarity is going to be a concern, so if we put this in and it doesn't light up, first time we plug it into the gauge cluster, we'll plug it right back into the power source and we'll turn the car on. And if it doesn't turn on immediately, then we know that the polarity is wrong. We just have to flip the bulb. So we slip. God, how heavy those tripods. Yank that out. Already in here.
Or the one we replaced didn't have the right polarity.
In and twist. And it's okay. So both those are plugged into the power. I guess we're gonna turn it on. And now we have lights on both. And a blinker. Good. So both those are lit up.
Beautiful.
Alright. Let's put it back together.
Alright, so we're going to throw it back together, which we will show you guys in fast motion, because you do not need instructions on how to turn a screw to the right. Beautiful.